I'm looking at two levels. I'm looking at the retracement back to the 61% FIP level here. You can see here, nice structure coming in here at resistance, support, and support. So if you test this level again, and I get a good strong counter reversal, hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Monday, 4 November 2024. Today I will be trading long on the euro, the Swiss and the pound, and short on the New Zealand, the CAD and the Aussie dollar. Now if we look at the dollar strength coming in here, finding resistance right at that resistance level up there, most likely it will come and retest the support level that we saw here earlier. So a little bit between a rock and a hard place for that matter, but tomorrow election day in the US, and with a little bit of doubts coming in about a Trump victory, it gapped down heavily over the weekend, the dollar, and busy testing the moving average, but could still test this level here, and then we can see a bounce from there. I think a Trump win is already priced in to a large extent, but I still think if he wins, it will be still some more dollar strength coming in. But anything possible, but at this stage I have to stay pretty much dollar bullish, a little bit more dollar neutral maybe. If we look at my indicator here, you can see that the dollar index or the dollar has now moved from the top spot downwards to the neutral spot, slightly bullish still, but still in a neutral spot here. But with the dollar weakening, I'm getting interested in gold on the 4-hour charts. We got this consolidation, rising trend line, falling trend line coming in here. So a breakout for me, breaking above the 27.55 levels. I think that's the area I would look for some longs. On the daily charts, I'm going to need a deeper retracement. I want to need a deeper retracement back to structure here at 26.68. That's the level I would like to see actually. But for that, we're going to need a strong dollar to get gold to give up a little bit. But if it can get back down here, that's the area I'm going to look for some longs. But if it doesn't retrace and the 4-hour starts to rally, I will try to break out long here. So I'm still very, very bullish on gold. Bitcoin took out that big trend line now last week. Solid run up the page, couldn't really make a new all-time high. That's the worrisome part. But the good news is, usually it breaks above the sideways trend. You can see here, as I've explained previously, the longer the sideways range, the more explosive move we get after the breakout. Now at this stage, it failed to make a new all-time high, which is a little bit cumbersome. However, we saw the retest. Look at this beautiful candle over the weekend. Long lower shadow candle pattern here, retesting, and we always like to see retests that confirm that the market is indeed looking at those levels. Was worried about this break and then fell back down below, but then running up the page, testing now to the T. So very bullish on Bitcoin at this stage. So let's hope we can fly up from here. We should see a new all-time high, and I think in the next few weeks we could see up to $100,000 on Bitcoin. So let's hope there for the best. On the currency side, euro, yen, euro, all the sparkle. Yen quite neutral. It's a banking holiday today in the yen, so not that much expected there, but the euro very strong. I'm looking at two levels. I'm looking at the retracement back to the 61% FIP level here. You can see here, nice structure coming in here at resistance, support, and support. So if you test this level again and I get a good strong counter reversal, I'll then consider some long trades. But if it doesn't retrace that consolidation area, if it breaks out above this level here, if we can break out, let's say above the 165.90 levels, 165.90 levels, if we can break out there, then I'll consider some longs here. I've got a strong euro and quite a weak yen, so let's hope there for the best. So I've got two possible options, the retracement and then the breakout. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Similar, we look at the Euro US, although we saw the gap upwards because of the gap down on the dollar index last night over the weekend. I'm still very bullish on the euro here because that's got all the sparkle. Dollar fading. You can see the dollar has been fading from up there downwards, slowly but surely now entering a neutral phase. So I'm looking really at a long here, but I've got nothing else to do. I would like to see the gap close, because usually that's like a magnet. But you never know. I won't short it up there, because you don't know when this gap will be closed. It could be closed in 6 months from now. I know gaps usually gets closed, but when? It could fly up 1,000 pips there before it come back to test the level. So I'm not keen on that. I'm waiting for the retracement back to the 50-61% level, right? The structure here that will close the gap. That will give us an opportunity to look for some longs here. Brand new trend coming in here. Now with the US that needs to reduce interest rates or cut interest rates later this month, we're going to need a weaker dollar. So I think that's what's busy happening. So maybe tomorrow I will consider trading a breakout here, but I'll see how the market responds today. But for today, I'm waiting just for retracement if that will happen. Then very tense and tight trading the US markets just before the US elections. I don't want to do something stupid, but with the dollar weakening, and this is providing the dollar keeps weakening today and tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow they've got a holiday, so I don't think they will happen that much. But it's still something to watch. Wait for solid setups. Don't do something stupid, because it could be very, very volatile. Not could be. It will be very, very volatile as the elections plays out tomorrow into Wednesday, Thursday, as the final results do come out. But on a weakening dollar, I'm looking at the Nasdaq on a retracement back to the 50-61% right at structure here. That's the area. Trend is bearish. That's the area I would look for some shorts on some good solid candle pattern reversals. Similar to S&P 500. Swing, retracement, structure coming in there between 50 and 61%. With that, I will look for some shorts, but providing the dollar keeps weakening. And then we look at the FTSE. FTSE last swing down the page, running up here, now almost testing the 50 to 61% level. Nice structure coming in here, picking it up a few weeks back again. And if we look at the pound on the stronger side, which is stock market bearish. Okay, I'm more keen on shorting the European markets and the FTSE and stuff like that than the US markets due to the elections tomorrow. But yeah, they will be volatile also, maybe a little bit less volatile. But all right, this is the one I'm looking at. We got a strong pound, or a strongish pound, which is stock market bearish. So with the trend coming down, with the FTSE breaking out of the sideways range here, it's a very big sideways range. I do expect, if it comes down, I'm expecting a big one, because of the fact that it's trading sideways so long, and we get these explosive moves afterwards. Then the DAX, similar as the FTSE, retracement back to 50-61% level. Structure coming in here on this strong euro. I'm definitely very keen on shorting the DAX also. But I'm going to wait for retracement. Good strong candle reversal. Market needs to really confirm this. I will be nimble. I won't do something stupid that will put myself into jeopardy. I can't play the news. I can't play the elections. I'm not going to even try that. I'll just follow my strategies. I'll have my stops at the correct places. And then where I'm right, I will hit large targets. Where I'm wrong, I will just exit at my predetermined stop losses. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.